Ah, si Lenny. Lahat kami naka-black. Naka-black. Black. 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 Ay na, pagka-pull up sagad oh. Gutom na gutom talaga siya. Oh. Awa naman itong batang to. Yun lang. Hello guys.
너한테는 지원 사를 수리하는 우리가 출근하게 나서
Para sa Sorry, hindi ko kayo pinapakata. So, kasi malinis eh. Mga ganon. Dahil mga ganon dalawa, diba?
Hindi ko na lang po dito.
Hindi pa nga ako satisfied kasi kulang pa siya, pero...
Ano yung kulang?
Pamatian Junior.
Ayun! Oo nga.
Arts. His crafts in an exploration of different medium.
Pump na lang ng lobo, ayaw pa.
Uy, ako kaya lang pump na ito.
O yan lang.
Ayan, hawak mo din. Ako diba?
Papa Smurf.
Pag ganun yan eh.
Papa Smurf.
Ba yan?
Si Papa Smurf. Ito sino to?
Ewan ko dyan. Di ba yan?
Symbolizes the connection between the organization and the school itself. We have united them.
Okay, let me start with the shape of our parole. So, pa-diamond siya. Knowing that diamond is the strongest element, we believe that the faith, character, and service, the diamond will be able to withhold that strong vision of PCU to transform leaders globally, which yun nga, nandun sa pinakataas yung Earth. So kasabay po ng pag-ikot ng mundo, it's the same with po dito sa logo ng PCU, so Psychology Society, na hindi po kami, that the organization's goal is to not to look or be fixed with certain people lang. We try to reach as many people as possible to be able to be their help and support. Tapos, ito pong flowers dito, dried flowers po yan, that represents the members of the Psychology Society, being the instruments that will make our organization and the goal of PCU and together with the goal of Psychology Society to prosper. So yun po yun, yung flowers. And then, kaya po kami gumamit ng used CDs. It is for us na to reflect dun sa common na nangyayari sa society, be a reflection, and of course, having those reflections still to shine above all. So yun po, that's the whole concept. For the used materials, used CDs, bao po, used din, tapos kawayan na used din, and then newspapers, tapos yung dried flowers. So yun po, that represents po our paral. Thank you.
Thank you. Ganun ba yun? College of Education Society. Education Society of the College of Education. Thank you very much.
Busy siya. Oh.
Ang dami mong minions. Happy Jade. Kanina to.
Isama ako! Bakla mag-twerk ka nga. Twerk. Twerk ka, twerk. Paul! Eh! Si Muse! I love Philippines! Proud naman talaga. Viva! 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 Viva!
Universidad.
Ate, wala nang pag-asa yan.
To receive 15,000 pesos. Kung akala mo ikaw to, sumigaw ka! Lantern number 15! Picture taking tayo.